In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Android device supports eSIM using two simple methods. First, launch the Settings app. In the top search bar, search for IMEI. Tap on the first search result. Scroll down on the page. Here, you can see two IMEI slots for two SIMs. If your device is compatible with eSIM, there will be another slot for the eSIM. You should look for a slot named EID. As I don't have an EID slot, my device does not support eSIM. If your device has an EID, it should look like this. You can check this in another way. Open the dial pad of your phone. Type *#06# here. After typing, a window should appear automatically on the display. Just like before, check if there is a slot for eSIM. As you can see, I don't have an EID slot, so my device is not compatible with an eSIM.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.